Hello class, this is chapter 15 assignment question number 7. So we are going to use the assignment method to allocate the taxes to the customers. So let's copy this table into okay, so let's work on in this spreadsheet. Okay, so we get the customers and we get the taxi locations. So in this assignment question, assignment method, let's first perform the row operation. So we subtract the smallest number of each row from all the numbers from the corresponding row. Okay, so let me copy the table. Let's get a new one. Let's delete all the numbers. So let's work on the first row. The first row, the smallest number in the first row is 5. So we subtract the 5 from each of the numbers in that row. So that's going to be this one, minus 5. And then we do the same for all other numbers. Okay. So second row, we do the same. The smallest number is 6. We subtract 6 from each number. Minus 6. So we do the same. In third one, the smallest number is 5. So each number minus 5. Okay. And the last one, the last row is the smallest number is 6. So each number minus 6. Go. Okay, we get the row operation done. So then let's work on the columns. Let's perform the column operation. We do the same. Let's copy the table. Okay, and we find the smallest number in the first row. Okay, and subtract this first the smallest number from each number. So smallest number is 1, and we subtract 1 from each of the number. So this one minus 1. Okay, we do this. Okay, and for second row, the smallest number is 0, so we don't have to do this operation because it's minus 0. Okay, we just copy what we have in there. And for the third column, we still have 0 as the smallest number, so we just copy this column. And the last one, the last row, we have 0, so just copy what we have. Okay. Now let's see, for this matrix, so let's see how many lines do we need to cross all the zeros we have. This, at least how many lines we need to cross all the zeros. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the minimum number of lines. Or let's see this way: 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So from what I can tell, we have at least 4 lines. So 4 lines we have, and we have 4 rows and 4 columns. That means we have the optimal solution right now. Okay. Then let's see the optimal assignment. So let's start from the row that only has 1 0. So which one has 1 0? Okay. So this row has only 1 0. Okay. So that means we assign customer D to cap in location 4. So customer D goes to location stand 4. Okay. Then after doing this, let's delete the row and the corresponding column. So let me delete that. Okay. Then let's find the row has only 1 0. Okay. So it could be this one or this one. So let's work on this one first. Okay. Okay. So customer B goes to stand 1. Okay. Goes to stand 1. So let's delete this one. And we delete the corresponding column. Okay. Then we have 2 customers left. So A goes to stand 2, that is the one has 0. So that's the stand 2. And customer C goes to stand 3. Okay, so let's see if we get the correct answer. So customer A goes to stand 2, customer B goes to 1, customer C goes to 3, and customer D goes to 4. Okay, so we get the answer. Okay? And the last one, the cumulative distance, you just use those numbers and use the assignment to add up all the miles we need. So you will end up with 23.